Hey, it's Jeff. I'm going to give a little review on the WS-8600 ambient weather remote monitoring. This is the unit with it in the on position. You get the time, which is 10:43. You get your inside temperature monitoring, shows 76.1 degrees. Your inside humidity, which is the 43%. In the out there box, that shows the which channel you're on. This one right here, that shows which channel you're on. I guess I don't have but the one device for monitoring. You can choose different channels, so you can add, I believe, up to 3 units onto there for your outside monitoring. Outside temperature, it's showing 66.5 degrees, 55% humidity. Just to the right of the 66.5, that's showing your signal strength to show how good your connection is. It is a 400 megahertz type system, so it's pretty decent going through walls. You get some decent distance out of it. You got your barometer up here in the corner for those that really want to go more in depth in your weather monitoring. It is it has an alarm clock setting. Get your little snooze button there. Right at the thumb there, that is for a battery. It's the smaller watch size batteries there. Not much else to report there. On the back side here, you can see all your different buttons for making all your adjustments and stuff. Everything's very clearly well laid out in the manual on how to set everything up. It's a pretty nice setup. It is run off of a 110 plug into 4.5. Just use the one that they send you. It works fine. It's just simple little wall wart. Doesn't take up much room. This also has the ability to do some histories. Let's go back a little bit in history here. So 0 hour, about an hour ago, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, and so on. So I've been staying pretty decent temperature around my house for being almost middle of December. We're not doing too bad there. Pretty happy with the device. This is the unit that goes outside. Getting a little sunshine there. So it flashes back and forth. It just brought it in from outside, so it itself is warming up to the room temperature. Again, you've got the channel. This says it's on channel 1, 67 degrees, and then your humidity. So as it acclimates to its environment, obviously since it's a solid mass, it does take a little while for it to catch up with what's really going on around it. It's not instant change. I don't know many good quality units that are instant change because the weather doesn't instantly change that much. Let's open up the bed. Have to set the phone down a second here. Okay, so there's a battery door off. Just pop a couple AA batteries in there and you are good to go. You do have your little slide switch, which is right here. That lets you pick which channel this device is going to be operating on. So like I said before, if you're going to have multiple receivers, you can pick which channel it's going to be in, or if for some reason you happen to have a neighbor who's lucky enough to also have one of these, and his device is messing up with your signal, you can pick a different channel and operate off of that. And then you also have a reset button, that little dot right there. Comes with a little nail hole or screw hole so you can mount it. I would suggest obviously nothing in the sunshine, so it's not giving you false readings. It is weatherproofed, but I wouldn't say, putting it in any water or anything like that. Best suggestion would be to, maybe someplace that has a little bit of an overhang or something like that, so it's going to be getting some shade, so you're not getting 12 o'clock noon and you're reading 120 degrees when it's not that hot outside. So it doesn't take up any room at all. It's a nice small device. So I've been running this for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now. Very happy with it. I have the screen here set to change colors. There are color ranges that when it reaches a different range, the screen will change colors. And that's all laid out on all your buttons and stuff. So you can pick and choose how you want it to operate. So you can change your color or your light amount. Pick between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can go through, check everything, change your time. And there's the history button. All in all, it's a really nice item. I'm very pleased with it. I expect I've been just leaving this sitting out in my living room so I can watch it as I watch TV, but it'll be upgraded into my bedroom, so this will be the first thing that I see when I wake up in the morning. All in all, it's a 5 out of 5 on this. I'm very happy with the product. Thanks for watching. Jeff out.